What if I told you Google's new image generation model called Nano Banana could create custom visuals for your PowerPoints, e-learning modules, training brochures, and company websites, all featuring your actual employees and workspace, maintaining perfect consistency across every training material, and do it all in under a few seconds per image? And I'm going to prove it to you. What's the biggest problem with training visuals today? Your PowerPoint presentations look like everyone else's. Your e-learning modules use the same stock photos as your competitors. Your training brochures and company websites show people who look nothing like your actual employees or workplace. Companies need training visuals that reflect their specific environment, their people, their brand, not generic office workers from stock photo libraries. So what makes Nano Banana different from other AI image tools? Training consistency across all your materials. Watch this. I upload one photo of your actual employee and Nano Banana puts them in your PowerPoint slides, e-learning scenarios, training brochures and website content, all looking exactly the same. Now your compliance training, safety presentations and company messaging all feature the same recognizable face that employees can relate to. So how fast is this actually? Insanely fast. While other tools take between 25 and 30 seconds per image, Nano Banana generates professional training visuals in just a few seconds. I created 8 different workplace scenarios with the same character in under a few minutes. That's faster than finding the right stock photo. So what kind of training scenarios can you actually create? Well, every training format you actually need. PowerPoint presentations for your actual workplace scenarios, e-learning modules featuring your company-specific procedures, training brochures with your real employee demographics, website content showing your actual work environment, company messaging that reflects your brand and culture, all with consistent characters that look like they actually work at your company, not some generic office somewhere else. So how much does this actually cost? Now here's the crazy part. It's completely free in most cases. Traditional training photography costs thousands. Stock photos cost hundreds per image with limited customization. Nano Banana goes through Google Gemini, so it's $0 if you're on the right package. Companies are replacing their entire visual training budgets while creating better, more engaging content. So is this actually professional quality? Well, just look at these results. These aren't cartoony AI images. These are photorealistic professional grade training visuals that you'd pay thousands for. Nano Banana is literally the top-rated image editing model in the world right now. Google kept this secret for months before releasing it. So how do you actually use this for training? Here's the exact process that we use. Step 1, go to gemini.google.com. Nano Banana is built right into Google Gemini, so no separate app is needed. Step 2, either upload a photo of your employee or describe your training scenario. I'm uploading this photo of our teammate Lasma. Step 3, write a simple prompt. Put Lasma in our office conference room, presenting to a diverse team during a safety training session. And watch this. Step 4, multi-turn editing to build the complete scenario. Now show Lasma pointing to a safety chart on the wall. In another few seconds, add safety equipment visible on the table. Another perfect image is generated. Step 5, create variations for different training materials. Make this suitable for a PowerPoint slide. Now create a version for our e-learning module. Generate a brochure-style version with more space for text. Step 6, export and use anywhere. Drag and drop into your PowerPoint, e-learning authoring tool or training materials. No design skills, no photo editing software, just simple text prompts and perfect results every time. Perfect brand consistency across every single training touchpoint. For complete visual library for PowerPoints, e-learning brochures, websites and company materials, all featuring the same recognizable employees, reflecting your actual workplace, all created in under 2 minutes. This isn't just image generation, this is branded training, visual production that makes your company training instantly recognizable and professional. So go to Google Gemini right now and try creating visuals for your next PowerPoint or e-learning module with Nano Banana. Upload an employee photo or describe your company's training scenario and see what happens. If you want to see how to combine this with Claude's document analysis for complete AI-powered training creation, smash that subscribe button. The next video is going to change everything. Many thanks for watching this week's AI in Training video. Now a word from our prehistoric sponsors.
The AI is transcribing this meeting for everyone. I prefer to take notes. With a pen and paper, I'm quite sure the AI misses the nuance of my genius.